Hey friends, I wanted to show you how I converted this antique vanity desk into this gorgeous nightstand set. Let me walk you through it. First, I'm going to use a jigsaw to cut that back panel into half, and then I use an oscillating tool to remove some nails that were nailed in from the top down into that panel. Then I had to get rid of some nails, and these nails were holding in the little dovetail that goes into the side panels. I'll show you that in just a minute. Wiggle those panels out. Just got to get them out of there, and you'll see the void that happens because I took those panels out. We'll fill those up in just a moment. There they are. Got to fill that up. Best thing to do is to put those little pieces of wood back in there. So we're going to cut those off. I also need to get rid of these little support pieces that were just glued on. I'll have to patch that up also here in a little bit. Then I used a straight edge to guide my circular saw to cut the top into sections. Basically going to leave a small void between the two nightstands, but just be careful, be measure. You notice I use some clamps, and there we are. They're now two pieces. I'll use my sander to soften the edges because you don't want any sharp edges on these. They're most likely going to be in somebody's bedroom, but we're making great progress. So there's two pieces now. Now I'm in my workshop. I'm going to cut those little pieces of wood off the side of those panels, and I'm going to insert those into the holes where there is a void, because that'll take less patching if I can reuse that wood. There, I've inserted in there with a little bit of glue, put them in place, and we'll come back and sand that a little bit. Using my sander, I'm going to go ahead and sand the top down. I use a 80 grit so I can get a lot of those scratches out, get back down to the original wood so I can stain that a little bit. It helps to use a sander, especially on the sides. It has a little bit of a contour to it. I'll do that to finish out this entire piece. Of course, you might have to do some hand sanding too to get right in the edges and the grooves. Sanding as much of the glue and imperfections off. I discovered after doing a little sanding here that I'm going to need my heavier duty. I love a finishing sander with some 80 grit. This has a little bit more surface and more power, and that's what I'm using here is my finishing sander. And just smoothing out any areas that has any raised surface. I am going to have to patch those cracks here. You can kind of see up in the top right. My quick wood that I like to use for larger spaces. After it's dried, I'm going to come in with some 80 grit sandpaper and sand that nice and smooth so you can't even tell that there's any holes there when it's all said and done. We're not trying to remove every imperfection on this nightstand. It is an antique after all, but try to make it look nice. Here you can see that there's a little bit of warped veneer on the sides. I'm going to put some glue in there with a little knife, whatever you can get that glue in there. And just about every small clamp I had, I glued all the way across any loose veneer. Again, it might be a slight wave, but I got most of it out. It looks really good. And here we go. The two pieces are sanded, ready for stain, separated. My next steps is pretty much going to be caulk, which I'm doing here, just to fill any large voids. Use my finger to smooth that out. Getting it ready for prime, which you can see is done here with Dixie Belle's Bonding Boss Gray. And I also tape the top off because I like to stain after I top coat the base. This is all painted, all stained, all looking great. And check out the finished look. I love how it turned out. What drew me to this piece was the decorative scroll or designs on the front. I used antique glaze to really make it pop. I also put a decoupage paper on the top drawers for a little peekaboo effect. I really am in love with this set. I hope you like it too. Hope you loved the little walkthrough of how to turn a vanity desk into two nightstands.